cone is a solid object that tapers smoothly from a flat circular base to a point called vertex. In this video, we will solve problems based on shape cone. Have a look of mathematical formulas to find curved surface area, total surface area and volume of cone. Total surface area of cone includes area of circular base of the cone. You should know what is L and H in these formulas. Observe this figure. The slant height is L and H is the distance between the cone vertex and the circular base. These slant height L and height H are related. The line AB is perpendicular and hence L square is equal to H square plus R square. Given radius of base of cone and height, we can find the slant height of the cone. Let's start solving numerical problems. You can see some problems listed on the screen. These are pretty straightforward, simple questions. I will not solve these problems in detail but give you the little explanation to solve them. Let's deal with the first question. Find the curved surface area of a cone. If its slant height is 60 cm and radius of its base is 21 cm. It is given in the question slant height and base radius. Question is to find curved surface area. Formula to find curved surface area is pi RL. After substituting the value of radius and slant height, we get the answer. Let's see second problem. The radius of a cone is 7 cm and area of curved surface is 176 square centimeters. Find its slant height. Given data is radius of base of cone and value of curved surface area. Question is to find slant height. The formula which we used in first question can be used here as well. Curved surface area is equal to pi RL. Hence, L is equal to curved surface area by pi into R. After substituting the values of radius and curved surface area, we get value of slant height. Now check third question. The area of the curved surface of a cone is 60 square centimeters. If the slant height of the cone is 8 centimeters, find the radius of the base. This question is also simple like first and second question. We know the formula to find curved surface area. Curved surface area is equal to pi RL and hence R is equal to curved surface area by pi into L. We have data of curved surface area and slant height. Using these data, we can easily find radius of base of cone. Let's look into another problem. Find the volume of a right circular cone with radius 5 cm and height 7 cm. In the beginning of this video, I have shown you the formula to find the volume of cone, which is 1 by 3 into pi r square into h. Substitute the values of radius and height. You get the answer. Now you have seen simple questions. Let's solve little tricky questions. A right-angled triangle of which the sides containing the right angle are 6.3 cm and 10 cm in length is made to turn around on the longer side. Find the volume of the solid thus generated. If a right-angled triangle is revolved about one of the side containing the right angle, the solid formed is right circular cone. Hence, answer for this question is to find the volume of cone, whose base radius is 6.3 centimeters and height is 10 centimeters. Let me draw a triangle which is mentioned in this problem. This is the right angled triangle. This is triangle ABC, right angled at B. According to given data, length of the sides containing right angle is 6.3 centimeters and 10 centimeters. This would be the cone formed when triangle is made to turn around on the longer side. This is the slant height of the cone. We are supposed to find volume of the cone. Mathematical formula to find volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 into pi into r square into h. You will get the answer after substituting the values of r and h. In this case, r is 6.3 and h is 10. It is 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 6.3 square into 10. After simplification, we get it is 22 into 0.3 into 6.3 into 10. It is 415.8 cube centimeters. Volume of cone is 415.8 cube centimeters. Let's solve another problem. A tent is of the shape of a right circular cylinder up to a height of 3 meters and then becomes a right circular cone with a maximum height of 13.5 meter above the ground. Calculate the cost of painting the inner side of the tent at the rate of rupees 2 per square meter if the radius of base is 14 meter. Shape of the tent is cylindrical up to height 3 meters and then it is in cone shape. Let me draw a tent. This height is 3 meters. The maximum height of this tent is 13.5 meters. Radius of base is 14 meters. We are supposed to find the cost to paint inner side of the tent. We have to find curved surface area of the tent which comprises the cylindrical shape and cone shape. Total inner surface area is addition of curved surface area of cylinder and cone. Let's recall the formula to find curved surface area of cylinder and cone. Total inner surface area of tent is equal to 2 pi r h plus pi r l. It is curved surface area of cylinder and curved surface area of cone. But we don't have value of slant height. Let's check if with given data it is possible to find slant height L. Total height is 13.6 meter. But height of cylinder is 3 meters. Hence, height of the cone is difference of these two heights, which is 10.5 meters. Now, we have radius and height of cone. With these data and using Pythagoras theorem, we can easily find the slant height L. It is L square is equal to R square plus H square. It is 14 square plus 10.5 square. 14 square is 196. 10.5 square is 110.25. It is 196 plus 110.25. It is 306.25. L square is 306.25. Hence, L is equal to 17.5. Square root of 306.25 is 17.5. So, we have slant height of the cone as well. Substitute the value of radius, height of cylinder and slant height of cone in this equation. Total inner surface area of tent is equal to 2 pi r h plus pi r l. It is 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 3 plus 22 by 7 into 14 into 17.5. After simplification, we get it is 264 plus 770. It is 1034 square meter. Cost for painting per square meter is 2 rupees, and hence cost for painting total inner surface of tent is 1034 into 2, which is 2068. Hence it cost 2068 rupees to paint the tent.